Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to share past experiences using the simple past tense. Let's begin with the key points. Key phrases and examples. Talking about a vacation. Practice examples with sentences. More practice examples with sentences. Summary. Key phrases and examples. When we talk about past experiences, we use the simple past tense. Here are some key phrases you can use. For example, I went to Spain last summer. I stayed at a beautiful hotel. I visited museums and parks. I enjoyed the local food. Notice how the verbs are in the simple past tense. Let's say these sentences together. I went to Spain last summer. I stay at a beautiful hotel. I visited museums and parks. I enjoyed the local food. Talking about a vacation. Here's an example of how you can talk about your last vacation.
Hi, I'm Sam. I want to tell you about my last vacation. Last summer, I went to Italy. I stayed at a small hotel near the beach. Every day, I swam in the sea and ate delicious Italian food. I visited ancient ruins and took many photos. I really enjoyed Italian food.
Did you notice how he used verbs like went, stayed, swam, and visited in the past tense? Now, let's break it down and practice. Last summer, I went to Italy. I stayed at a small hotel near the beach. Every day, I swam in the sea and ate delicious Italian food. I visited ancient ruins and took many photos. I really enjoyed Italian food. Practice examples with sentences. Now let's practice together by answering these questions. Where did Sam go? He went to Italy. What did Sam do? He swam in the sea and visited ancient ruins. What did Sam enjoy the most? He enjoyed Italian food. More practice examples with sentences. Here's another example to practice together.
Hi, I'm Eva. I want to tell you about my last vacation. Last winter, I went to a ski resort. I went snowboarding every day and relaxed by the fire in the evenings. I really enjoyed the snow and the beautiful scenery.
Now let's answer these questions. Where did she go? She went to a ski resort. What did she do? She went snowboarding and relaxed by the fire. What did she enjoy the most? She enjoyed the snow. Summary. Let's review what we've learned today. We use the simple past tense to talk about past experiences. Key phrases include I went to, I stayed at, I enjoyed. I went to the mountains. I stayed at a cozy cabin. I enjoyed the fresh air and peaceful views. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.